It was a normal day on the layout. Everyone was working their hardest. The harbor was finally almost complete. Colin the crane was positioned along the quayside, and Cranky was working his hardest to load the engines. Percy had been given the very important job of moving the newly purchased Rocky into position to help right an accident caused by Pink Rosie. Yeah, like I said previously, she's very accident prone. Oh, come on, Percy. It isn't that bad. Hey, at least I get to stretch my hook. There we go. Thanks, Jack. No problem. Rocky was the newest item to arrive on the layout. Everyone was happy to finally have a breakdown crane model. Meaning, at long last, Sodor's engines could rest easy knowing that if they came off the tracks, they could rely on Rocky. Hello, Tom. Hello, Thomas. James, is that you? Yes, my new updated body has come in. Now I'm motorized, like you. Oh, well, congratulations, James. You look splendid. I know. That's why Jacob has asked me to pull the express today. I can only imagine how much of a fit Gordon's throwing knowing that I got the responsibility of pulling his express. It's not bad enough another engine is pulling my express. The fact it's a James, of all engines. Oh, come on, Gordon. It's all right. Remember how good I did with the express? It's only fitting that Jacob gives James the chance. He gets to try in the TV show, doesn't he? Well, yes, but that's different circumstances. I was punished, and James had no choice but to pull the express. This is just mean cruelty from Jacob. Well, he has to give everyone a chance, and tomorrow it'll be Henry's turn. Henry. Oh. I'm going to have a word with Jacob about this. It's unfair that I don't get to pull my express train. In fact, I'd say it's downright evil. Anyway, I just thought I'd stop by to say hello and show you my new splendid paintwork. Don't I look wonderful, Thomas? Look, James, you do look nice, but could you not brag about it? Why? I've earned the right to brag. I don't think you have, actually. Huh. Well, you just wouldn't understand. Anyway, I must be off. No time for chit-chat. If there's one thing that James will always do consistently, it's brag about his freaking paintwork. Meanwhile... Hey, Jacob. Oh, hey, Sonic. What's up? I've been patrolling the railway for a while. I haven't seen any sign of trouble yet. Diesel 10 is still locked up in jail. Wait, since when did we have a jail? Since we bought that talking cranky. Oh yeah, the one that doesn't work. Yeah, but hey, we can dangle engines off of we can dangle the engines from his hook in that little blue crate thing. That's where Diesel 10 is now. You've got the wrong guy, I say. Don't try and fight it, Diesel 10. You got this one coming. Oh, shut up, Cranky. I've been looking for any other suspicious activity, and I haven't seen any so far. Good. Now, I best be off. Bye, Jacob. Psst. What was that? Psst. Over here. Who's there? Psst. Over here. Huh? Who's there? Show yourself. Huh? Who are you? Shh. Keep your voice down. I can't let anyone else hear me. Who are you, and what are you doing on our rails? I'm Tails, and I've come to warn you. Danger is coming. Danger? Huh. Well, good thing you're talking to Sonic the Steam Engine. Where is it? Shh. Keep your voice down. Look, all this cryptic keep your voice down isn't gonna immediately stop my worries. Tell me what the problem is so I can fight it. Just promise you'll whisper. Okay, fine, I'll whisper. So what's the problem here? Someone, I don't know the specifics, but someone is coming for this railway. I'm trying to keep tabs on their activity right now, and I'll let you know if I find anything out. But I know who caused the accident the other day. I know why Diesel 10 did what he did. You do? Tell me. Shh. Not now. I don't have all the specifics yet, but soon enough I'll come back with more info. I have to keep tabs on them right now. Don't tell anyone I was here. Why? Because it might put more risk on this railway. I need to make sure everything here is safe before I can show myself. I'm willing to let you see me because I trust that you won't tell anyone. I won't. But please, tell me what's going on. I have to go. But please, stay alert and don't tell anyone I was here. This railway needs you more than ever right now, Sonic. Stay vigilant and keep a lookout for me. I'll come back with more news when I have it. This is goodbye for now. Wait! Hello? Tails? What was that about? Maybe something is going on here. I better do what he says. I'll stay vigilant. I'll keep an eye on this railway until I know what's going on. Now, I better keep my promise and not tell anyone about this. Psst, Rebecca. What? The steam engine is on the move. I know he is. What? So what? I saw him talking to another engine. Do you think they're caught on? No, I don't. And quite frankly, I'm sick of doing this engine's bidding. I want to just be friends with these characters. How could you? You know that this is important. We have to keep ourselves vigilant. We have to go and inform him immediately. You can. I need to stay here to keep up the illusion. Okay, off I go. Don't you dare betray us. You know what the consequences are for that. I say, Rebecca, why did Nia leave so quickly? Oh, he had a job to do. She had a job to do elsewhere. She forgot about it, and she was just telling me to keep everyone, to inform everyone. Is something wrong, Rebecca? You seem out of it. No, everything's fine. Okay, then. The more I look at her, the more I realize there's something going on with that engine. I wonder what. I've been trying to find that hedgehog for years. Where is he gone? Hello? Oh. Who are you? Who are you? I could be your best friend. I know someone who knows that hedgehog. Or steam engine, in your case. You do you? Well, what's in it for me? He will let you destroy that steam engine. And he'll let you destroy all the others that live on that railway with him. Huh. Deal. What's that sound? What are you doing in my home? Where did you come from? We're on the hunt of a little blue steamer on the planet called, on the railway not far away. A blue steam engine? I too am looking for him. Well, if you'd both like, I'd be happy to show you the way. Oh, a cliffhanger? Oh, I hate those.